So when it comes to managing soils on tillage farms, we have a few extra challenges. We are actually establishing crops every year, so we're taking a crop in and putting in a new crop. So the actual act of establishment can threaten the soil to some extent. We also have heavy machinery working on the soils, and also we don't have something like a grass crop which is continually binding up root material and carbon in the soil. So those are extra challenges on tillage farms. So how do we manage soils against that kind of background? Well, we can look at a number of things. We can look at the systems we use to establish the crop. We can look at the machinery and its weight and tire pressures and compaction risk, if you like, in the field and the headlands. And we can look at ways of trying to add back in carbon into the soil by using cover crops and that. But for each of these systems, we have to know that they will work in our climate and on our soils and with our production systems, because that can vary. So if we take establishment systems, for instance, there's now a whole range of systems out there, varying from the plough, which inverts the soil and works to a depth, right through minimum tillage systems and right up to systems like this, which is a direct drill. And the aim of this is to get the seed directly into the soil with minimal disturbance. But we need to know, do these work well in our conditions? And we've done some work back in Oak Park on this over the years, where we've looked at different tillage systems, from plough through min-till, strip-till and now direct drill. We found that the yield performance is largely similar, but with some drop off in some cases. But the bigger challenge often is in wet autumns and indeed with autumn weed control. And grass weeds can be a particular problem. So for each of these systems, or anything we adopt, they must be adapted to our particular climate and production systems.